Clearing is an opportunity for the students who haven't yet got a place at university to get a place on a course that they'd like to do.
It's a very viable route now into higher education for students who perhaps either didn't get the grades that they wanted to, did better than what they thought, and also for students that didn't think university was for them until later on in the year.
It's open to pretty much anybody.
Clearing doesn't have that stigma around it that it first had.
It's not just for students who didn't get the grades to A-levels, but you can also opt into clearing as a starting point. So if you hadn't considered going to university before, or you'd decided against it and changed your mind, you are in control of that whole process.
My top tips for clearing is do your research. Look into the course or the university that you're going to potentially applying for.
Keep an open mind, keep your options open, be curious, pursue what you enjoy.